In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Forza Horizon 5. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open the save file and drag and drop this INI file inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go to this PC C drive users public documents Steam, Dex, and this is a game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, drag and drop this to desktop. And now drag and drop this 100% save folder inside. Now you can launch the game. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. Press the escape key and I'll show you guys everything is unlocked. Lots of credits. 100% save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.